what you doing today?
I'm just going to ride my new car.
Wow, nice. Who made it for you?
What?
Who made it for you?
I built it.
Wow. What's it made out of?
It's made out of steel and cardboard.
Well, let's see this trunk. Let's see what's in it.
I put lots of stuff in it.
Now let's see. Wow, someone decorated it. Wow, nice. Let's see. It says Molly, I love you, Hunter, fun time, BY. Now let's see what's in this trunk right here. Wow, it's packed up.
I know, right?
Wow, there's a squeaky toy and some balls. That's just what Molly would like for a nice day like today. So, Molly, what places do you like to go to in your car?
I love to go to the beach.
Dog parks?
Yes.
Dog parks?
I like to go to the dog park too.
So, who are your dog pals?
Hunter?
Nice.